Welcome to Porterville College's EAB Navigate How-To series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the event feature in Navigate, from creating an event to collecting your data after it's over. My name is Jasmine Quinones, and I am the Director of Student Success and Equity here at Porterville College and the EAB Navigate Administrator. Here with me is Stephanie, who is also a member of the EAB Navigate team on campus.
Hi there. As Jasmine said, I'm Stephanie Olmetho-Hind, and I'm happy to be here to help today.
So, let's jump right on in. The event feature is a powerful tool for organizing and tracking student participation in workshops, orientations, info sessions, and more. You can use it to promote events to specific student groups, track RSVPs and attendance, send reminders and follow-up messages, collect data for reporting and assessment. Whether it's for events like PC Connection, a transfer workshop, or a student life pop-up event, this tool will help keep things streamlined and measurable. Now let's go step by step to create an event. Step 1, you'll need to log in to Navigate. You'll start by going to our Porterville College website and logging into Inside PC. From the portal, find the More Tools panel and click on the Navigate Staff and Faculty link. Step 2, go to the Events tab. Once you are on the EAB Navigate site, you will need to click on the Campaigns and Events tab on the menu located on the left-hand side of your screen.
The icon will be round with a little bullhorn in the middle.
Step 3, create a new event. Find the Events panel. You may need to scroll down and click on the Add New button to create a new event. Step 4, enter event details. Fill out your event information. Internal name. For this example, Stephanie put Fall Transfer Application Workshop. Care unit. Select the correct care unit from the drop-down menu.
Again, for this example, since we are preparing for a transfer application workshop, I will select the transfer care unit.
Capacity of event. This will depend on your venue size, so don't forget to complete a use of facility for these activities.
For this example, I put 25 as the capacity.
Maximum number of guests per attendee. Guests are a good option for events like recognition ceremonies, but because this is a workshop, we will put 0 as this is for students only and no guests. Make sure that the invitation required is checked. Display name. Event date. A calendar drop-down menu will appear. Just choose the date your event will be on and move on to the next line. Event start time. Select the time your event will begin from the drop-down menu. Event end time. Select the time your event will end from the drop-down menu. Event time zone, Pacific. Event location name. This will be in the Transfer and Career Resource Center, so Steph is going to type in AC117. Address line. You can type the college address here. City Porterville. State California. Zip 93257. Contact email. You can use the email of the coordinator of the event.
Or in this case, because it's a transfer event, we have an email that we use. So I'm just going to type in PC transfer at portervillecollege.edu in this section.
Event registration window. List a start date and an end date. I recommend choosing an end date that will give you enough time to prepare a head count for things like ordering food or supplies for the event. For this workshop, we will just pick the date a week before the event. Then select Continue when you are ready. Step 5, Event Description. So here you want to briefly describe your event for your audience. I'm going to let Steph take a moment to copy and paste one she pre-typed in preparation for this session. Once you've completed your description, you will see a preview of what it will look like on the right-hand side of the screen. If you are satisfied with your description, scroll down and click on the Continue button. Step 6, Select Recipients. The easiest way is to add students and attendees from a list that you've previously created.
I created a list before the session. In the field drop-down menu, I'm going to search for and select Student List and keep the condition as stated, contains any, and under Value, I'm going to check the list I created, which is titled Fall 2026 Transfer Student List. Then I'm going to click on the blue Run Report button. While that report is running, I just want to add that if you don't know how to create a student list, let us know, and we can make that a how-to video and training session for the future. Okay, so once the report is completed, you want to select all the students from the list. Find and check the box at the top of the list next to student name. Then at the bottom, there will be a checkmark icon. Hover your cursor over that, and it should say Select All. Click on that, and now you can click on Add Selected Recipients, located on the top left of the panel. Now you can click on the blue Continue button to proceed.
Step 6. Compose messages. Invitation and reminders to RSVP. I recommend creating templates ahead of time to streamline this process. You can customize an RSVP confirmation message to send to your recipients. Click on Add Invitation to begin. There is a section to draft your message, and if you have anything you want to attach, there is a section for attachments as well. To the right, you will be able to preview what your message will look like. I'll give Steph a minute to enter a message in this section. A reminder for event message. This is optional but recommended. It's used to set automated reminder emails or texts for students to reduce no-shows. Stephanie has created some email templates already, so she is going to create some reminders for this workshop and insert her templates. Once you have all your messages completed, click on Continue. Step 7. Verify and publish is the last step. Review that all the information is correct before proceeding. If everything looks correct and you are ready to publish your event, you can click on Publish Event. If you're not ready yet or need someone else to review it before you submit, click Save and Exit to come back and edit later. Once your event is published, all recipients will receive an invitation to the event with the RSVP link, and you will be able to monitor your data and analytics from this point forward. After your event, you'll want to track attendance and collect data. Here's how. Step 1. Navigate back to your event under the Campaigns and Events tab. Find the event you hosted. Click on the event title. Step 2. Click the Export Data on any menu item that you wish to extract data on. For example, message metrics or attendance.
This generates a CSV or Excel file with the following categories in the column: student names, ID numbers, email address, RSVP status, attendance status, and checked-in status. Use this data for follow-up, assessment, or reporting for programs and grants.
And that's it. You're now ready to create, manage, and report on events using EAB Navigate. If you need help at any point, feel free to contact our Navigate team at navigate@portervillecollege.edu or check the EAB Help Center. This is Jasmine Quinones.
And I'm Stephanie Almedo Hind.
Thanks for watching. For more quick guides, stay tuned to our Porterville College Navigate tutorial series.